In this video, I'm going to show you how to document your green cleaning policy and program in the ZIA facility management tool. We're going to go into the green cleaning category. And before I go into the policy and program module, I'm going to double check and make sure the Getting Started module has been completed. I open this up and I see if this question has been answered, and it looks like it has. So I'm going to press Save and Close. Now I'm going to open the Policy and Program module. We're going to go back to the first question, which is, do you have a green cleaning program in place? For the purposes of this video, I'm going to say no, but I would like to explore it. For each question on the left, there's content on the right that's going to help you make your decision. We also have additional resources on this top brown bar. The help function, which shows you how to answer the question. And then the lead reference guide, and this will open up the PDF from the U.S. Green Building Council's rating system. And that button is right there. So I am going to say I don't have a policy, but I'm going to consider implementing this best practice. Question 2 has a lot of new things, and I want to point these out. The top part is module info. Module info appears and gives you sort of an introduction to what we're looking at, which is the green cleaning policy. Lead guidance is specific information about lead requirements. So you need to be very aware of these and cover these in your policy. Now the biggest resource we give you is in this Knowledge Center, and that is a sample policy. This is a downloadable document. Here is the sample green cleaning policy. As you can see, we give you an introduction, clear description of the policy model, and then a sample policy. If this is a new thing for you, you can take this sample policy, copy and paste it, and then customize with your particular company's information or organization's information, and you can customize the scope to which this applies. It's very detailed. It includes all of the parts of the policy model, including time period, scope, responsible party, etc. And it has all the content requirements that LEAD requires. So this is a tremendous tool for you. If we go back into ZIA, I am going to say I've downloaded this, and I'm going to move to the next question. Now, if this was new to me, I would need to take that sample document and go create and implement the policy within my facility. Now, when this is done, and so if that was the case, I would set a reminder and I press save and continue. And at that point in time, I've done the most I can do inside of ZIA. Now, let's pretend, speed up in time, and say that my policy is completed and I can document that. So I'm going to go inside the module again, and I'm going to go back to the first question. And do we have green cleaning in place? So at this point in time, I do have a green cleaning program in place. And I'm going to see new questions. I'm going to look at the policy, and then I'm going to answer the question here. Does my policy clearly identify each of the following: scope, performance metrics, goals, procedures and strategies, responsible party, and time period? Because I used this model to make my green cleaning policy, I know that I comply. So I'm going to check each one of these and press save and continue. Now, on the far right is the green cleaning overview, and then lead guidance on each of the requirements for that policy. So purchase of cleaning products, cleaning equipment, procedures for hand hygiene, procedures for carpet and floor maintenance, education, occupant feedback. I'm going to assert that each part of my policy covers the requirements for LEED. And then I'm going to press save and continue. Now, I have asserted that my policy is compliant, and I'm going to upload my policy here. And press save and continue. One important feature about the upload is that ZIA will only keep one document. So if you upload a new policy, it will overwrite the old document. Now, with this, I have completed the documentation for my green cleaning policy. I'm going to go back to the home page, and I want to show you one thing, and that's this document library. Here shows every single document uploaded into the application. So right here is my green cleaning policy, and it shows the name of the document and when I uploaded it. So instead of going into the green cleaning policy module every time, I can do a quick click and see all of the documents in there.